Hello everyone. Today I'll take you through the INFI-TQ Certification Exam 2021. Now this is the exam which is for pre-final year students, that is the students who are going to pass out in the year 2022. This exam is going to be conducted on 2nd and 3rd of April 2021. It is a national level certification exam and the students who are BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MCA or MCM and graduating in the year 2022, they are eligible to apply. And if you get through, you will get a tag of Infosys Certified Software Program. Now there are primarily 3 rounds. One is the qualifying round, then there is a final round, and there will be an advantage round also. So under qualifying round, the students will be tested on their programming, database management, and aptitude skills. For final round, there will be an in-depth analysis of programming and DBMS skills. Talking about the exam pattern, there are 40 questions in the qualifying round from Java, Python, DBMS, and aptitude. 60 minutes is the duration, and all the questions will be objective type questions, and there will be a negative marking of 0.25 for all the incorrect answers each. Final round will consist of 22 questions. There will be hands-on questions from Java, Python, MCQs from Java, Python, and DBMS questions. Total test duration is 3 hours, and there is no negative marking in this round. So if you score 65% or above in the final round, you will get a certificate of Infosys Certified Software Programmer. And this will give you the direct opportunity to appear in the behavioral interview for the systems engineer role at Infosys. Then there is one more round, which is also known as advantage round. So in this round, there will be 3 programming questions of varying difficulty level to be answered in 3 hours. These questions will have different weightage. Now in this round, even if you have applied for Java or Python as the language in your qualifying round, you still have the option to take up this round in any other language. And if you are able to clear this round, you will have the opportunity to appear for the interviews of power programmer or systems engineer specialist in the company. So guys, this is all. If you want to know more and if you want to apply, you can just click on this link. It will also be updated in the description box. Thank you and all the best.